Dear students, welcome to our class on JRF SRF Net 2022 General Knowledge. In this class, we are going to understand and discuss the latest statistics of Indian agriculture. Now, the first one, land details. Latest land details. Number one, the total food grain production in India. This is the latest figure. The total food grain production in India is 297 million tons. Total geographical area 328.73 million hectares. Once again, for your academic interest, I would like to impress upon you, this is a recorded figure. Recorded figure as per a total food grain production in India is 297. In some latest versions, you may be finding 301, 311. This is the figure which I have taken from Government of India Statistics Updated. Now, what is that figure? Total food grain production 297. I am not denying if in some other references you find 301, I am not denying. 311, I am not denying. But what I have taken is what I am telling you is the Government of India latest updated figure. Now, total geographical area, as you know, this is the oldest figure. This would never change. That is 328.73 million hectares. Now, the third bit for today's class is area under forests. Area under forests is 72.02. That means it is 23.36% of total geographical area. As such, a bit would come like this. The area under forest is 72.02. It should have been at least 1/3. This bit will come. What is that bit? Area under forest should be 1/3 of the total geographical area. So, India is having only 23.36%. So, that means approximately 8.5% we are less. That's what I would like to impress upon you. Now, gross cropped area out of 328.73 million hectares, gross cropped area is 200 million hectares. Net sown area 140 million hectares. Gross cropped area 200 million hectares. Net sown area 140 million hectares. The cropping intensity, Indian cropping intensity is 144%. Cropping intensity in India 144. In the earlier versions I had given some other figure that was last year's. Now the latest updated figure is 144% cropping intensity. Similarly, intensity of irrigation is also 144. It is ranging between 143 to 144. 143 to 144. 144%. These two figures are almost same. Cropping intensity in India is 144%. Okay, intensity of irrigation in India is 143 to 44, but 144 is the latest figure when I have calculated from different sources. Now, let's see what is the net irrigated area. The net irrigated area in India is 69 million hectares. As far as canals are concerned, the area under canals irrigation is 15.51, 15.51. That is approximately 23% of the area which is under irrigation is is coming under canals. Canals only 23%, whereas tube wells, under tube wells it is 32.93%. In other words, 48% of the total irrigated area. Okay, net irrigated area I told. Net irrigated area is 69 million hectares. In that 69 million hectares, 48% is by tube wells and canals is 23%. That's why electricity to the farmer is a very, very essential item to irrigate by using the tube wells. Canals is only 23% of 69 million hectares. Now the gross irrigated area is 98 million hectares. Gross irrigated area is 98 million hectares. The net irrigated area is 69 million hectares. Now, so here the cropping intensity and intensity of irrigation are 144%. If it is 143 given in the exam, you please tick for intensity of irrigation 143, otherwise it is 144. Now let us see some of the production and procurement indicators. Production and procurement indicators. These are also the latest figures updated 2021-22. That's why. Okay, now food grain production, as I said, 297 million hectares. As far as Kharif is concerned, 144 million tons. Rabi 153 million tons, 153 million tons. Once again, for your academic interest, I would like to impress upon you that food grain production is 297 million hectares. Kharif 144 million hectares. Rabi 153 million hectares. Now, as far as horticulture production is concerned in India, it is 320 million tons. 320 million tons as far as horticulture production is concerned. Milk production 198 million tons. Meat production 186 million tons. Meat production 186. For your academic interest, once again I would like to repeat. Total food grain production. This is the latest. Again, once again, I am impressing upon you that if you find 301, I am not denying. 311, I am not denying. But this is a figure given by Government of India in the official website and then official documents of Government of India. Now, the total food production in India is 297 million tons. As far as Kharif is concerned, 144 million tons. As far as Rabi is concerned, 153 million tons. Now, horticulture production 320 million tons, milk production 198 million tons, meat production 186 million tons. Now, see the livestock population heads. The livestock population is 536 million heads. Fish production 142 million tons. Total number of cultivators in India. 118 million. 118 million farmers are there in India, cultivators are there. Of them, the agricultural laborer are 144 million are under the agriculture labor. Now, the percentage share of agriculture workmen to the total workforce in India. This is an interesting bit. The percentage of agriculture workmen as far as compared to the total workforce in India is concerned, hold your breath, it is a whooping 55%. 55% of the total labor force or workforce in India are under agriculture. So that's why agriculture is always the mainstay for Indian economy as also for the employment. So next few more bits I would like to share with you are the total number of operational holdings in India. Total number of operational holdings in India 1465 lakhs. 1465 lakhs. Marginal holdings in that are 1000. Marginal holdings out of 1465 lakh land holdings are 1000. That means a whooping 68%. 68% are under marginal holding. Now, what is a marginal holding? Less than 1 hectare. This bit also may come. Marginal holdings are less than 1 hectare. Small holdings, it accounts for 258 lakhs are the small holdings. They account for 18% of the total operational holdings in India. Others, that means 1 to 2 hectares are under small. More than 1 to 2 hectares are 207, that means 1/4. 14% of the total land holdings or operating holdings are under others. Now, see the percentage population under below poverty line. Percentage population below poverty line. Lowest in Goa, it is 5.1%. Highest in Chhattisgarh, it is 40%. Production of major crop. These bits are certain to come. Please listen very carefully. Once again, I would like to impress upon you, these bits are 100% to come. What are those bits? Again, I would like to impress upon you, this is the latest figure. For anything what I am telling is the latest figure. Now, let's go. Production of major crops. What are the major crops? In million tons I am telling. Rice, 118 million tons. Rice, 118 million tons. Wheat, 108 million tons. 118 million tons is rice. 108, that means 10 million tons less is wheat. Next one, nutri-cereals, 48. Nutri-cereals, 48 million tons. And pulses, 23 million tons. Total food grains, 297. This is what I would like to impress upon you. Total food grains, 297 million tons. Now, oil seeds, 34 million tons. Sugarcane, 355 million tons. Cotton, 36 million tons. Jute and mesta, 10 million tons. For your academic interest, from the bottom, I would like to just repeat once again. Jute and mesta, 10 million tons. 10 million tons. Cotton, 36 million tons. Oil seeds, 34 million tons. Sugarcane, 355 million tons. Pulses, 23 million tons. Rice, 118 million tons. Wheat, 108 million tons. And the coarse nutri-cereals, they account for 48 million tons. Now let's go to very interesting bits. Should, must and should appear. What are those? Now, 3 largest producing states of most important crop. In the ascending order or descending order, the questions would come. That's why I am telling you, I am interested to impress upon you. These bits are 100% certain to come. Just memory type only. There is no logic in this. Now, see, in the descending order, I would like to tell. Rice, as far as rice is concerned, the 3 most important states in the descending order are West Bengal, UP, Punjab. Rice, West Bengal, UP, Punjab. West Bengal, 16.5% of the total. Punjab, UP, 16%. Punjab, 12%. Now, second, wheat. In the descending order, UP, 33%. MP, Madhya Pradesh, 20%. Punjab, 18%. Once again, for your academic interest, rice in the descending order states, West Bengal, 16%. UP, 16. West Bengal, 16.5%. UP, 16%. Punjab, 1 to 12%. Wheat, UP, Madhya Pradesh, Punjab, 33%. 18%. Now, as I said, total rice in million, 118 million tons. Total wheat, 108 million tons. Now, maize, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, Telangana. Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, Telangana. Yes, this is the descending order. Highest Karnataka, second Madhya Pradesh, third one Telangana. Okay. Now, nutri-coarse cereals, Rajasthan, Karnataka, MP. Rajasthan, Karnataka, MP. Once again, I would like to impress upon you that rice, West Bengal, UP, Punjab, 16 million tons, 16.5, 16, 12. Wheat, UP, 33 million tons. MP, Madhya Pradesh, 20 million tons. Punjab, 18 million tons. Maize, Karnataka, 4.2 million tons. MP, 4.1 million tons. Telangana, 4 million tons. So, all India is 29. Now, nutri-coarse cereals, it is in the descending order or Rajasthan, 7, Karnataka, 6, Madhya Pradesh, 5. All India, 48 million tons. Coarse nutri-cereals, 48 million tons. 2 minutes back I told. In the split up, In the descending order, Rajasthan, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh. Now, total pulses, if we take the descending order is not ascending order, descending order. Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh. Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh. All India total pulses, as I said, 23 million tons. 4.5 million tons Rajasthan, 4 million tons Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, 3.8 million tons. Now, let us go to oil seeds. It's very interesting as far as oil seeds are concerned. Why it is very important? In the next class I tell. Let us see the figures. Now, as far as groundnut is concerned, total groundnut all India 10 million tons. In some books you will find 10.1 million tons, but 10 million tons groundnut. In the 10 million tons, the descending order is Gujarat 4.6, Rajasthan 1.6, Tamil Nadu 1. Once again, for your academic interest, groundnut all India 10 million tons. Of them in the descending order, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu 4.6, 1.6, 1 million tons. Now, so let us see what is with reference to rapeseed and mustard. The descending order states are Rajasthan, Haryana, UP. Rajasthan, Haryana and UP. Rajasthan 4.2 million tons, Haryana 1.6 million tons, UP 10 million tons. Thanking you. I repeat in the next class.